Hi everyone, and welcome back to this video. So I decided to do a homemade red velvet moist cake at home for my daughter's birthday. She was turning 9 and I decided to do it at home. It was moist, delicious and easy to make cake. And this video is going to show you exactly what I did to come up with this cake. It was delicious and you will love it. At the description you'll find the measurements that I used to come up with this cake, but basically I used all-purpose flour. I used white sugar. You can use white sugar or granulated sugar. And then I used butter, which is melted and not hot. This is red coloring food. I used cocoa. I used salt. And then I used 3 eggs. I also used white vinegar. There I used buttermilk, which is homemade. Then lastly I used oil and baking soda. So in a bowl you're going to add oil, buttermilk, then you put in your eggs and mix it up really well. Then you add your vinegar, put in vanilla extract or vanilla essence, put in your butter. Make sure it's melted but not hot. Then put in your food coloring, red food coloring. Mix it well. If you have an electric or a mixer, just mix it up well. I used a fork, so mix it up well, but don't worry if the butter still shows, but just mix it up really well. Now for the dry ingredients, we are mixing sugar, the flour, then put in your salt, baking soda, the cocoa. We're adding the cocoa there, and then mix it up. Just mix it up. Now once you're done mixing, add the wet ingredients to this mixture and then mix it up well. And that's it. You just mix it up and then it's ready for baking. It's that simple. So I decided to use my cooking pans because I wanted the cakes to be round. Make sure you grease the pans well. And after 35 minutes, the cake was cooked. Here it is, the round cake, very well cooked. And I'm going to frost it with cheese frosting. Please see the description for frosting info. And here is the cake. She really loved it. And we all enjoyed the cake. It is simple, you can do it at home. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.